who wants to see some absolutely mental military technology? This is going to be fun. In this episode, we have things that shoot, fly, swim, fly even faster, disappear, and things that make you question how much longer we have on the planet before these fighters grow conscious and hunt us like the overgrown apes that we are. Let's get into it. Military dogs. I don't know whether to admire the fact that we're putting weapons on robot dogs or to be terrified by it. This is a Terminator by Throwflame. Somehow it's completely legal in 48 states and its pre-order cost is only $10,000. Bargain. It features a 1-hour battery, a 30-foot flame-throwing range and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for remote control through a smartphone. Honestly, you can power this thing for your phone. It also includes a LiDAR sensor for mapping and obstacle avoidance, laser sighting and first-person view navigation for an onboard camera. Fun. The Chinese army has debuted its latest weapon, a gun-toting robotic dog. While they may look technologically advanced, the killer robots are hardly sleek pieces of military hardware. Both dog and drone appear to be off-the-shelf pieces of consumer technology, with a conventional rifle bolted on top. The dog you see is a unitary robotics dog that retails for $1,600. Obviously that doesn't include the gun that's strapped to it. The company denied selling products to the Chinese military, and it's unclear how the army procured it. The F-35 Lightning II is one of the most advanced and versatile fighter jets ever built, known for its stealth capabilities, cutting-edge technology and multi-role functionality. The F-35 is designed with stealth technology, allowing it to evade radar detection. Its sleek design, specialised coatings and internal weapons bay reduce its radar cross-section, making it extremely difficult for enemy systems to detect or target the aircraft. One of the coolest things about the F-35 is its helmet-mounted display system. Instead of using traditional cockpit displays, the pilot's helmet projects key information directly onto the visor, allowing them to see through the aircraft. These features make the F-35 Lightning II a game-changer in modern military aviation, blending stealth, advanced sensors and versatility into one single badass platform. The M134 quad minigun. Believe it or not, the M134 minigun was developed in the 1960s by General Electric, though strapping 4 of them to a movable mech turret is a relatively new phenomenon. Each gun has an insane rate of fire. You can fire 100 rounds a second. You've probably seen it in action-packed movies like Predator, Terminator 2 and The Matrix, where its firepower is exaggerated. I've never seen it as fast as this before, probably because there's 4 of them. The M134 minigun has a maximum range of 1,093 yards. The mini in its name, interestingly, refers to the smaller size of the weapon compared to other rotary barrel designs, which is ironic because this thing is absolutely massive. So we have seen a lot of drones in military environments, but these ones for me are the most interesting right now. This absolute unit is called the Jackal drone. It's a vertical takeoff drone with a maximum speed of 99 miles an hour and is designed by Flyby Technology in Yorkshire. It is designed to engage helicopters, yes helicopters, and tanks. It's a multi-role attack drone capable of firing multiple missiles. It has a wingspan of 5 meters and can carry a payload of up to 15 kilograms. This is Songar, an armed drone from the Turkish Armed Forces. It's developed by Asisguard for day and night military and security operations. The system can broadcast real-time video and operate within a mission radius of up to 5 kilometers. It can fly autonomously and even change mission during a task. Let's hope it doesn't take it upon itself to do that. So how do you stop drone attacks? Well, with drone defense attacks, obviously. This is the highest speed drone interceptor Roadrunner by a company called Anduril. The Roadrunner is designed to intercept and neutralize enemy drones using high speed maneuverability to target and disable threats in the air. It operates with advanced autonomous capabilities, allowing it to track, engage and neutralize drones without needing direct human control. Anduril have a bunch of other products that I'll be touching on in a future video. Basically, drones can now fight our battles for us, so why don't we all just sit with our feet up watching Netflix and let them do it until they eventually turn on us. I believe it was Muhammad Ali who said you cannot hit what you cannot see, so being invisible on the battlefield is probably quite important.
Hi.
The Invisibility cloak uses a material called quantum stealth, which bends light around objects, effectively making them disappear from view. This technology works without cameras, without mirrors or active power sources. The material bends light in such a way that objects behind it are obscured. It uses light diffraction to achieve this effect, making it extremely difficult to detect what's hidden behind the cloak. Not only can quantum stealth make objects invisible to the human eye, but it also conceals them across different spectrums, including infrared for night vision, ultraviolet for specialised cameras, and thermal imaging used for detecting heat signatures. Now, to the sea. The Northrop Grumman Manta Ray is an advanced underwater drone being developed for long-term autonomous missions. The Manta Ray is designed to be an unmanned underwater vehicle capable of operating for long durations without returning to base. Unlike traditional UUVs, which need frequent maintenance and resupply, the Manta Ray is intended to perform missions autonomously for months at a time. The drone is being designed to manage its own energy use efficiently, even in hostile underwater environments. It also has advanced autonomous systems, meaning it can make decisions independently, adapt to its environment, and complete missions without constant human oversight. So if your drone keeps getting blown up, it's probably wise to make one that's hard to find, and the X-47B is the ultimate. The X-47B is an autonomous, stealthy, unmanned combat air vehicle developed by Northrop Grumman for the US Navy, designed to perform reconnaissance and strike missions without a pilot. It became the first unmanned aircraft to successfully launch and land an aircraft carrier, demonstrating the ability to operate in complex carrier-based environments. The X-47B has demonstrated the ability to conduct autonomous aerial refueling, a significant step for extending the operational range of future unmanned systems. This thing is crazy and makes the F-35 look like a Vauxhall Corsa. The Hermius hypersonic jet is designed to reach speeds of Mach 5, that's 5 times the speed of sound, and roughly 3,800 miles per hour. At these speeds, a flight from New York to London would take 90 minutes compared to 7 or 8 hours on a conventional aircraft. Achieving hypersonic speed is a game changer for military applications, dramatically reducing travel time around the globe. The aircraft uses a highly innovative combined cycle engine that switches between turbojet and ramjet modes. The US Air Force have already shown an interest in the aircraft, well, as its hypersonic speed could be used for missions requiring ultra-fast reconnaissance, rapid transport of key personnel, and the delivery of high-value cargo. So it looks like the favourite computer games you played as a kid are coming to life. These guns represent a significant advancement in military technology and weaponry. Electromagnetic railguns can launch projectiles at extremely high velocities, often exceeding Mach 6, which is 6 times the speed of sound. This high speed translates to greater range and the ability to hit targets with minimal warning. Unlike traditional gunpowder-based weapons, railguns use electricity to accelerate projectiles. Because the projectile is accelerated electromagnetically rather than explosively, railguns experience significantly less recoil. Interesting. This stability can improve accuracy and allow for easier integration onto naval vessels and other platforms. Railguns are part of a broader movement towards directed energy weapons, which could redefine modern warfare. Energy weapons. Mad. Right, well, my head is spinning. That's it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you feel like I've missed anything, please let me know politely or angrily in the comments. Cheers!